Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Gmail account in this full 2026 tutorial. It's a pretty sensitive process, so yeah, I'll break it down slowly and make sure that you know exactly what you're doing before you confirm anything. All right, first step is to head over to your Google account settings. You can do that by clicking your profile picture at the top right and selecting Manage your Google account. It opens the main dashboard for everything connected to your Google identity. Now, once you're here, look at the left side panel and choose Data and Privacy. This is where Google stores all your download, backup, and deletion tools. Scroll down until you see a section called More Options. Under that, you should find something labeled Delete your Google account or Delete a Google service. Since we're focusing on Gmail, we're choosing Delete a Google service. Before you can delete anything, Google will ask you to confirm your identity. Just enter your password. Yeah, it's a quick security check. After you pass the security check, you'll see a list of Google services, and Gmail will be right there. Click the trash icon next to Gmail. Google will ask for a non-Gmail address where they can reach you for account recovery. So just add one you have access to. They'll send you a confirmation email to that backup address. Open it, click the link, and you'll land on a final confirmation page. If you click the button here, your Gmail account gets permanently deleted. Just make sure you really want this before you commit. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Gmail account using the full 2026 guide. If this walkthrough helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials.